Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to change your Apple Watch band. So I have a couple of different Apple Watch bands here, as well as I have an Apple Watch band collection that you guys can check out by clicking the eye on the screen up here. I have the Series 3 Apple Watch with this leather band on it, and to actually change your band, what you're going to do is you're going to see this little button on the back of your Apple Watch here. So you're just going to press that button down, and then you're going to slide the band from the body of the Apple Watch. So I'm going to do it on the other side as well. And you also kind of want to take note of what band is on top and what's on bottom, because there's definitely been times where I've accidentally put the top band on the bottom band. So now the bands from my Apple Watch have been completely removed. I'm going to go ahead and replace the bands. So what you might run into is that sometimes you might accidentally press a couple buttons, but it's okay. Usually I don't really press anything that's too weird. So to actually replace your Apple Watch band, you want to make sure that you put the part that has the black part that's kind of puffy and raised, you want to make sure that you place it facing upwards. So then you want to just slide the band right into the Apple Watch. That's literally going to be it. And voila, that's it. So that's all you have to do to replace your Apple Watch band. I'm going to do the same on the other side as well. And voila. And the Apple Watch band has been placed. So that is how you change your Apple Watch bands. So if you guys are familiar with my channel, you know that I usually do tech reviews, tech overviews, as well as tech unboxings. But starting in 2021, I want to start doing these short form videos where I just do some basic tech tips. And obviously I'm starting with how to change your Apple Watch band. So these videos are just going to be like 2 to 4 minutes long of me teaching you how to do things that I might have had trouble with when I was first setting up some of the products I was using. But if you guys do have any questions for how to use any sort of product, or you remember researching how to do something when you first got it, leave me them down below. I already have a running list of all of the tech tips that I want to go ahead and do, but I do want to be able to just take some of you guys' advice and see what tech tips you want. So these videos are going to be uploaded once or twice a week. I haven't officially decided yet. I know at least once per week, but I'm also going to be uploading twice a week. So I will still have my regular tech reviews, tech overviews, you know, talking about tech hype once a week as well. But I do want to add these videos in just to be able to put out more content for you guys in 2021. So if you guys are new to my channel and you like what I just said, be sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Bye guys.